Hey guys, and welcome back to Jagz Upgrades. Today we have for you is the aluminium servo horn and the high torque servo saver set. So let's get this installed. Okay, the servo is now out and it's an ACOMS one, and we will be replacing this one with the new Power HD 20kg. Okay guys, so after going through the instructions, I've managed to put it all together. So this is the old Tamiya TL01 horn, and that's the new Tamiya M chassis horn, which we're going to be installing. We'll adjust that on the Spectrum DC after. Okay guys, I've installed the servo horn onto the servo and it's been pre-aligned, so just need to install it into the Tamiya now, so we're going to do that. Okay, I've installed the servo, but I've noticed something, is that the gap in between here is not the same over here. So I'm going to use a shim in between the servo post and the chassis to create an equal gap. Okay, that's the shim installed. That's it guys, the servo has been installed along with the servo horn, and I have calibrated it, and it still needs a bit more calibration to go straight, but other than that, so the job's a good one. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Keep watching.